This is how I use my 6 quart Instapot Duo 9-in-1 to make yogurt. I specifically use the Fairlife brand milk because it's ultra pasteurized, and this allows for cold start yogurt and I don't have to boil the milk. If you do use regular milk, the Instapot has a boil setting, so you would just have to boil the milk before you can actually use it to make yogurt. Then I add 2 heaping tablespoons of yogurt. Sometimes I use the old yogurt that I make, and sometimes I freeze yogurt, but today I'm just using a good quality plain Greek yogurt. Then I whisk the milk and the yogurt together really well. Then I add a lid. I don't use the pressure cooker lid because it's not pressure cooking, so I just have a lid from a random pot that fits snugly on top. I set it to yogurt setting on medium for 12 hours and I leave it on the counter overnight. And that's it. Then it's done. I come in the morning, it's finished, it's off, and now it's time to refrigerate it. I take out the insert pot and put the whole thing in the fridge for about 2 hours to let it set. At this point it's yogurt, but it's not yet Greek yogurt. The liquid in the yogurt is called whey, and by removing some or most of this liquid, you go from regular yogurt now to Greek yogurt. I prefer it to be still a little moist, but mostly dry, so I take the yogurt out of the fridge and I put it into a straining bag. This is actually an organic nut milk bag. I put a strainer into a bowl and the milk bag into the strainer, and I scoop the entire yogurt out of the pot and into this bag. Then I put it back in the fridge for about an hour to an hour and a half. If you leave it too long, it's going to become almost a cheese-like consistency, so be careful not to leave it too long. And that's it. Now take the yogurt out of your bag, put it into your fancy jar, and voila, delicious homemade yogurt in the Instant Pot.